career helicopter pilot, you always got to be either ready to quit and or get fired. I'm going to tell you what I mean by that as soon as I get the hangar opened up. Real quick though, I want to point out that footage you saw at the very beginning, the first 30 seconds or so, that's from our next video coming out, and at the end of the video we'll show you some more of those clips, about another minute or so at the end. So make sure you subscribe and click that bell so you'll be notified of our next video coming out. What I mean when I said be ready to quit or be fired. Anytime you're working a job, you're going to be, one of the big things you're going to be thinking about is maintenance and also general safety. But the sad reality is in this industry, there's a lot of things that go on that should never go on. Maintenance gets cheated. Employers will push you to take flights that you shouldn't take due to weather or other circumstances. A lot of times it's going to be the aircraft. And I'm going to give you an example. When I was new to this industry, there's a lot of times I flew things that we knew were iffy because I wanted to get my hours and I was chasing that dream. And then at a certain point, you can kind of be a little more picky. And luckily, now at this point, I don't have to do stuff like that anymore. You may find yourself in this position. Ultimately, I want you to be prepared for the decisions you might have to make. An employer could say, well, you don't want to take that flight? Then you're fired. You don't take that flight, we'll get somebody else. There's a long list of people that want your job. Or the maintenance issue, you might be questioning and maybe you feel uncomfortable and they may say, hey, if you don't want to fly it, somebody else will. So ultimately, they could fire you, they could terminate you, or they could just say, hey, if you want a job, fly it. That's it. So you may have to go against what is inside or what's in your gut about what you feel is safe. Maybe then you have to quit or walk away, resign from that job. And that, of course, is going to depend on you or any one individual person on where they're at in their life. Do you have a family? How are you financially? That's where it gets tough. So this is something I want you to really spend some time thinking about, and I want you to put the comments down below if you are feeling pressure at this point for a maintenance or a flight situation. Tell us what your stories are in past experiences. So make sure to like and share, make sure to leave a comment down below, click that subscribe button, and then click the little bell to make sure you get notified of our upcoming videos. Stick around to watch the rest of the clips from our Florida flight, and we will see you in the next video. Oh yeah, and I just forgot. There's links down below for a free copy of my #1 Amazon bestseller, Helicopter Check Ride. There's a link for Helicopter Online Ground School. So if you're overwhelmed with one of these check rides you're working on and all the stuff that you need to know, go down below, grab one of those links, and check out Helicopter Online Ground School because we can help you get through that check ride. And you can do a 24-hour free trial on the yearly and monthly. And then we have one unlimited package. That's a professional package, and that has a 30-day money-back, no-hassle guarantee. Okay, I'm done.